Hello, and welcome to a presentation by your counselors here at Summit Academy. Today, we will be talking about how to balance social media within your life.
We all know that social media is a mixed bag, and there are reasonable questions about its impact on our lives. Studies have connected its use to joy, anxiety, an inflated sense of self, and episodes of depression. However, it has also transformed many daily activities, made us more productive, and at times helped us to feel more connected. But like any technology, it's not the tool that poses the problem, it's how we use that tool.
Social media includes websites and applications that enable users to create and share content or to participate in social networking, and your electronic second life.
Some of the different types you may be aware of include texting, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, MeetMe, and more. It's often hard to keep up.
Social media can be used for many elements of your life, such as building relationships, socializing, sharing locations you visit, pictures of your experiences, and conversations. People also share personal information such as contact info, likes, dislikes, and more. If you're not careful, you can provide too much information to the public, which could put you at risk.
What you decide to post has a lot to do with self-image. How do you view yourself? Most people display what they want others to see. They post pictures of what they think is their best angle, not their worst. They'll post their interests like movies, books, and entertainment. They share or like others' posts and even post their personal beliefs.
Remember that people see you how you present yourself. If you are not presenting the real you, who are they connecting to?
Decisions play a big part in your life. To post or not to post, that is the question. Experts say if you don't approach social media the right way, it is better to do without. In other words, try to think and make good decisions before posting on social media. If you think you might post something that seems negative or just wrong, it's probably better not to do it at all.
In addition, reading a message opposed to hearing it face-to-face may cause a different reaction. In many cases, if you have the opportunity, speaking to someone face-to-face will not only be more private, but will also be the best way to communicate.
Prejudice and judgment is important to understand because it is involved with how people might perceive you. Prejudice, which is considered prejudgment, is a preconceived opinion that is not based on reason or actual experience, such as viewing someone's profile and thinking you know what they're like before you've even met them. Judgment is an opinion or decision that is based on careful thought.
Depending on what you present on your profiles, people can think they know who you are without ever meeting you. What you share may either benefit or hurt you. Remember that in many cases, social media gives everyone an outlet to have a voice. It may already be out of your hands.
Messages can be judged, and once they're posted, it is quite hard to erase. You can be judged on what you post about yourself and others. Now, everyone has a right to his or her opinion, however, sharing those opinions have consequences. As a result, it is quite common for people to feel isolated like this from time to time.
The most important thing that is shared on social media is behavior. Sometimes people feel free and safe to say or do anything on social media since they are technically behind a screen. It's almost like wearing a digital mask. People can get a sense of who you are just from what you display of yourself and how you behave, though your profile may not resemble who you really are.
Here are some ways profiles are used irresponsibly. By bullying or cyberbullying, which is being intimidating or threatening, sharing harsh opinions, including shaming and verbal attacking, posting inappropriate pictures such as gang signs, drugs, or physically revealing too much, identity theft, using other people's pictures as your own, or posing as someone else, such as the show Catfish, and not setting your profile to private. This increases your risk of information being in the wrong hands.
So in agreement with this meme, you better check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Given all this information, how can your profiles be used responsibly? It can be used to connect with family and friends, attend social events, keep current with news, social issues, and politics, network for job opportunities, listen to music, viewing art and media.
How to use social media responsibly and balance it within your life.
Know your intentions. Before you post something, ask yourself what it is you are looking for. Is it to be seen or validated? Are you looking for acknowledgement, attention, approval, appreciation, or just to be included? If you are going to post something, always ask yourself 3 questions. Is it true? Is it necessary? And is it kind? Sometimes we post thoughts without considering how they might impact our entire audience. It's easy to forget how many people are actually reading. Be your authentic self. Talk about things that really matter to you. If people don't agree, ignore them. Experience now and share later. Don't minimize the experience of enjoying the present moment. Take the present in and share it later. Be active, not reactive. People often receive notifications or alerts whenever there is activity on one of their social media accounts. Try decreasing the amount of those notifications so that you choose when to join the conversation.
Respond with your full attention. People often share links without actually reading them, or comment on posts after only scanning them. If the greatest gift we can give someone is our attention, then social media allows us to be endlessly generous. We may not be able to reply to everyone, but responding thoughtfully when we can makes a difference. Practice letting go. It may feel unkind to disregard certain messages, but we need downtime to be kind to ourselves. Give yourself permission to let yesterday's stream go. This way, you won't need to catch up on updates that have passed, but instead can be part of today's conversation. Use mobile social media sparingly. If you choose to limit your cell phone use, you might miss out online, but you won't miss what's right in front of you. Don't be a slave to your phone.
You should enjoy social media, but be responsible with your decisions. This is your digital imprint, and it follows you everywhere. Thank you, and remember to support each other and support yourselves.